Hi, welcome to Sean's Kitchen. Today we're making a rich and flavorful mutton ghee roast that's going to be perfect for your next feast. So let's get right into it. First, we'll take a pan and add half a tablespoon of coriander seeds. Along with this, here we will also add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of methi seeds, half a tablespoon of fennel seeds, half a tablespoon of peppercorns, 1/4 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 3 cloves, 2 green cardamoms, 1 cinnamon stick, and 6 dry red chilies. We will then dry roast these spices on low flame for about 4 minutes, allowing the aromas to develop. Once they're beautifully roasted, we will then set them aside to cool down. Now, once the spices are cooled, we'll grab a grinder jar and add the roasted spices. Along with them, we'll add half a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of tamarind juice, 1 medium-sized onion, and 1/4 cup of water. We will now grind everything into a smooth paste and set it aside for later. Now, we'll heat up a pan and add 2 tablespoons of ghee. Once the ghee melts, we'll toss in 2 sprigs of fresh curry leaves. We'll let these curry leaves sizzle for 30 seconds on low flame. After 30 seconds, we're going to add the ground masala paste into the pan. We'll mix it really well with the ghee and curry leaves and continue to let it cook for 5 to 6 minutes. Next, we'll add 500 grams of mutton, which we've already pressure cooked with 1 cup of water for 4 whistles. Along with the mutton, here we will also add 1/4 cup of the mutton stock from the pressure cooker. And we will also season it with the salt as per taste. We will then stir everything together and let it cook for another 6 minutes, letting all the flavors soak into the mutton. Now, we'll add 1 teaspoon of jaggery and 1 teaspoon of lime juice for a bit of tang. We will then mix it all together and cook for another 3 minutes on low flame. And just like that, your mutton ghee roast is ready to be served. So if you love this recipe, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Sean's Kitchen for more delicious recipes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.